Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ASFX, American Scientific Resources Incorporated. Been following this chart for quite a while, and this is a 60-minute chart you're looking at, meaning for anybody that's not familiar with charts, each one of these bars, or candlesticks as they're called, represents 60 minutes worth of price action. So this isn't the daily. Most charts you see will be daily charts where one bar or candlestick represents a day. Each one here, in this case, represents 60 minutes. Today it had a nice day, bounced nicely, and I want to use the 60-minute because this will be the best way to kind of break down what needs to continue to happen in order for the daily chart to come to life. You need to always remember that in order for higher time frames to come to life, obviously the lower time frame ones need to come to life first. So with the 60-minute, if this one continues to bounce, then sure enough that will eventually begin to reflect on the daily chart also. So as you can see, the 60-minute has been in a downtrend for a while now. Why do I call it a downtrend? Well, if you follow this purple line right here, that is this 50-period simple moving average, which is a good one to kind of measure what the overall or medium-term trend is. And as can be seen, it has been sloping down for a while, so therefore it is in a downtrend. But with today's action, hopefully we can start to turn things around. Lots of work to be done, but today was definitely a good day and good way to get things started if this is going to start to reverse around. So as you can see, the first, well actually let's go to the 5-minute real quick, see what happened this morning. So yeah, you can see the first about hour and a half, we'll say, hour and 45 minutes, had a real nice move upward. So I don't know, maybe there was news or something out, not sure, but nice move. And then the rest of the day was just more of some sideways action and consolidating. So overall, good looking move. But as mentioned, the majority came in that first hour and a half. So hopping back over to the 60-minute, the question becomes, well, what do we want to see now that we've gotten some bullish price reaction? Well, the first thing that you want to see happen is simply what's been going on here is these two moving averages need to hold. We got the 10 to cross up above the 20, which hasn't happened in a while. If you look at these moving averages, you can see that this red line has been below this gray line for quite a while, but now we finally got that crossover. And what we want to see happen is for these candles to remain above these moving averages. That would be the best case scenario because that'll show that they're starting to become a higher base that is being formed. If they fall back below, then really your next support levels aren't until down here again. So if they can maintain these levels, that would be an ideal price action movement. But that is also a good looking healthy move here. We had a big move, volume dropped down, and then it pulled back right to these moving averages. So if Monday comes around and it can get a nice bounce off these, that would look very, very bullish from an uptrend perspective, and even more bullish would be if it could come up here, break above this high, and then close above it. Is that a requirement? No, but would that be really bullish for the chart? Yeah, it would. It would really take things up another notch. The other thing, though, that hopefully Monday or next week will produce is simply a close above the purple line right here, as mentioned earlier, the 50-period simple moving average. If we can get some closes above there, that's going to show that there's some strength mounting here, and obviously that's what we want to see. This is a good first sign of strength, but we need some momentum and strength to build on top of this. We don't want this to just be a one-day wonder where the price just goes right back down. Good start, but like I said in the very beginning, still more work to be done. So resistance-wise, short-term, pretty easy. We just have, and I'm going to just draw a line, but this line is representing the 50-period simple moving average there. So let me change these both to red here to represent the resistance. So there we are, our two resistance levels. As I had already noted, our support levels are just simply this red line and gray line. And what we want to see is closes above these resistance levels. Obviously, the higher the resistance levels that you get closes above, the more strong the chart is going to become. And if you can get a close above this level here, what you'll have is a pretty wide open range here to run up and give this 200 period test a run for its money, which would be very crucial. Right now we're concentrated on the 50, but after this high, the next focus spot will be here at the 200 period. I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's just first get these few things accomplished, and then we can worry about those sorts of things. But with a break of this, there could be another nice pop. So for those day traders and short-term swing traders, there could be an approaching a trading opportunity here also. Overall, though, this video is not going to be anything groundbreaking, but I did want to get it updated since I do receive still lots of requests for this chart. And with today's price action, it does deserve one because this may be the first day of hopefully what will turn into a nice solid bounce or maybe even a reversal. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But overall, good looking day for a Friday, and heading into the weekend, hopefully can build up some momentum. If you do have any other questions, please let me know. I'd also encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription, you'll get chart setups, educational pieces, trade ideas, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. We've been having some good success. Everybody's been making money and learning, so it's a good combination where you can make money, learn, but it doesn't cost you anything. So it's worth at least definitely checking out. One more time, this was ASFX. Thanks for listening, and everybody have a good weekend.